How do you cook chicken leg drumsticks to be crunchy outside and juicy and delicious inside? Come on, I'll show you. This is a simple recipe with a few ingredients and is absolutely scrumptious. First, we'll pat our chicken dry with a paper towel. We want to pat it dry all the way around. Now we'll cover our drumsticks in olive oil all over. Let's add our spices. We'll start with our paprika. Next, we'll add some delicious garlic powder. We'll follow that up with some parsley flakes. Next, we'll add chives. Our last ingredient, fresh ground black pepper. We'll do the same for both sides of our chicken. Preheat the air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll place these in the air fryer and cook at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes, and then we'll flip them. These are so big. We're only getting 4 in today. We want each one to have plenty of room to cook. All right, these have cooked for 10 minutes. We'll flip them over and cook another 8 to 10 minutes. And then we'll check our internal temperature. We're looking for 165 degrees Fahrenheit. These big chicken drumsticks have cooked another 10 minutes. We're going to pull them out and check them. Our temperature's over 165 degrees Fahrenheit. We're pulling them out. These sizzling chicken leg drumsticks are crispy and totally delicious. Remember to subscribe and have a great day.